apart from just a facility, we're going to improve that with proper inventory systems. We're going to improve that with better distribution processes, and that will ensure that we are able to then track inflows and outflows much easier, as opposed to having suppliers holding certain stock at their own premise. We're going to minimize that because much more of the bulk products then can come to the central medical store. The staffing will be then in one location. So there's a lot of different reasons why we chose to ensure that we have that. Again, bear in mind that when you look at Belmopan, the future plan is that the new facility, the new tertiary facility will be right around the corner. And that will also be in much closer proximity and access to the hospital at the same time. But we are working on a proper centralized system so that we could ensure the efficiency and the accuracy of our processes that we need to improve. I have always said this, that when I took over this ministry, I am very much interested in digital transformation, and part of digital transformation requires that you put in the systems that are needed. Yes, the BHIS has been functioning for what its purpose is, but we need a proper central medical store that will have the best inventory system, so that we could have a good distribution process that the ministry can manage and can track progress, can be able to look at RAWA. RAWA does somewhat a similar thing, but it's still not enough, and so we have to ensure that we can get that done for the benefit of the ministry, for the benefit of the Belizean people who need to access these services.
Coming along for the hospital being built as well.
You're referring to the Saudi funds. Well, as you know, that's through the Ministry of Economic Development in teaming with the ministry. I know that they were the design phase that were to have been finalized. They have a deadline, I believe, for September, October, so that once that is finalized and approved, we should be able to then start with the construction, and I'm hoping that we can then really break ground by the end of this year.